So here, I'm discussing about that how to advertise your mobile apps using your Facebook account. Any Facebook promotion will be called. We discuss about the one is called your groups, your timeline, friends timeline, your private message. Facebook, we can give the n number of advertisement and you promote your apps also. So any promotion app, first of all, making one image is important. Making one image is important. That image, we can prepare so much of content people know about your app purpose. That is called, this is your images. In image, we can writing for through content or we can give some explanation. Image also important. So any kind of image making for social media, we can use option called is canva.com. So here, just I'm created by this image for railway app purpose. Again, promoting one app is called Indian Railway app. First of all, selecting an option called is any image.io. Is one kind of website for promoting your app purpose. If you know without website or with website, you can promote this option. First of all, anything, select your image. Any posting of social media, image is your guru. Image is the first preference. Select your particular folder. Select your image. After writing for this one, latest, most download railway mobile app in India, not in apps. App in India. Just copy this one. After writing for your title, call for destination URL, your Play Store URL, click for here, select your large and small image, select your large image, click for finish. Once finish done, select your total title. Here I am only to target by where? Facebook. Facebook we can sharing for n number of types on your page, group, and your etc. thing. So any promotion is based on your hashtags. That is called first your where your timeline. When you're sharing timeline, you can add your what is called tag your friends also. First, you can selecting you for India. So why this is a popular for India in railway app? So that is called you can prepare few documents about your railway app purpose. Select your content with the hashtags. Post it. Copy it here. Now search for where? Check in for total India. The target by total India. If not, I'm targeting global. I'm targeting only for India, not in Hyderabad, not in for Mumbai. I'm selecting total Hyderabad. The railway app will be showing for total India purpose. Select for India. Click for post your Facebook. They're using for where? On timeline. When using for timeline, we can tagging for your persons. So I'm tagging for a number of. So we can target by click for post on Facebook. First attempt. Just post here. Done. Same posting. Attempt sharing for your timeline, your friends timeline also. Next one. Same. Facebook. This link will be any image.io will expire by exactly 24 hours. This link will be applicable by sharing purpose only for 24 hours. After 24 hours, these links will be sharing will be not valid. Sharing post will be valid, but for sharing purpose, the link will be not valid. Select one. Friends timeline. Friends timeline, only for one friend timeline we can show the post. Select here. Select it. So anyone you can select here. Others selecting. So you can sharing the individual friends timeline. So is a very important option is called each and every friend you have to receive your message. Each and every friend receive by your message. This is an option is called going to your Facebook. They get by chat message. What? Chat message. First of all, select your description. Select here. Share in a private message. Private message means you're sending by each person individual chat. Select it. Here, no need to select any friends. Just type here. So anyone you can select here. So you can select up to 50 friends. 25 friends as a chart. Now click for send message. They get the chat message on your Facebook as you reach the customers. When they get the chat message, people starting your chat here. If it's like, they click for your link. If you're not interested, they not click for link. So just here. Any got message will be get this option. Next one we can go. Select your option. That is very important. Call your Facebook branding page. Select here. Where? On your brand page. Select it. Post to Facebook. Yes, we can share it by your groups. Add your groups, create your groups, post on that group. Simple here. I'm sharing it Facebook. Select it. Group. So I'm searching for viral. Post to Facebook. Is it clear? I'm sharing for your timeline with the friends. Your friends timeline. Your private message to your friends. Fourth one, your own page. Fifth one, groups. One Facebook we can give for by multiple activity. Share your message to the customers. It's very important from the getting clicks for your website purpose. And increase your install about your mobile apps. First, you can give awareness based on increase your installs. The total depend on your image and your content with the hashtag.